Next exercise 1.1 fifth sum பார்க்கலாம் 12th max. If a equal to 1 by 9 minus 8 1 4 4 4 7 1 minus 8 4, prove that a inverse equal to a transpose. இந்த sum வந்து we can do in two ways. First வந்து a inverse தனியா நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு then we can find a transpose, அதாவது left hand side தனியா கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம், right hand side தனியா கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம், அது ரெண்டுத்தையும் வந்து நம்ம equal prove பண்ணலாம், right? That is one way. That is a usual way, but I am not going to do by that method. Find a inverse, right side இல்லாம வெறும் left side மட்டும் a inverse னு கொடுத்திருந்தாக்க there is no other go, we have to do only by that method. பட் இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு என்ன வந்திருக்குன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஏற்கனவே நான் இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ப்ராப்ளத்திலையும் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். அந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்திருந்தா நம்ம வந்து வேற மெத்தட்ல போடலாம். பாருங்க எப்படி போடலாம் அப்படின்னாக்க, what we should prove here, we have to prove பாருங்க என்ன ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும், a inverse equal to a transpose, அதாவது a ஓட இன்வர்ஸ் வந்து a transpose னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். அதை எப்படி ப்ரூவ் பண்ணலாம்னாக்கா, a ஓட டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் அப்படி a ஓட இன்வர்ஸ் அப்படின்னாக்கா a வையும் a டிரான்ஸ்போஸையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் சரி, இல்ல a டிரான்ஸ்போஸையும் a வையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் சரி, we must get what I, இப்படி நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ணாலும் this is enough for this problem. அப்போ எதோட இன்வர்ஸ் கேட்கறாங்களோ அந்த மேட்ரிக்ஸையும் ரைட் சைடு என்ன இருக்கோ அதோட a அந்த மேட்ரிக்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டு ரெண்டுத்தையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி a டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் இன்டு a that is equal to I இப்படின்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணாலே நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஆன்சர். இது வந்து ஆர்டினரி மேட்ரிக்ஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் தான். இங்க வந்து a இன்வர்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், அட்ஜாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் a கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், அந்த மாதிரிலாம் நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு ப்ராப்ளமே இல்லை, ரைட்? ஓகே, now we'll go for the proof. See the proof now. Proof C, a into a transpose நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். What is a? A equal to 1 by 9. There away I'll go for the answer. A into a transpose direct நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். What is a? 1 by 9. கொடுத்திருக்க matrix we are going to take as it is, minus 8 1 4. This is 4 4 7 1 minus 8 4. This is matrix A into a transpose, that is again 1 by 9. We know what is by a transpose, interchange rows to column, understood? Minus 8, first row become the first column, minus 8 1 4. Next is what? 4 4 7. Next is 1 minus 8 4, right? Okay, now the multiplication of these two, 1 by 9 into 1 by 9, that become what? 1 by 81. Then I should multiply these two matrix, that is minus 8 1 4 4 4 7 1 minus 8 4. In the matrix order I should multiply the next matrix, that is minus 8 4 1 1 4 minus 8 4 7 4. Yes, this is what ordinary multiplication. What is the multiplication of these two matrices? That is 1 by 81, 1 by 81, that constant will get. Now take the first row and the first column and multiply the corresponding elements and sum it up and add it up, that's all. Minus 8 into minus 8, that become what? Minus into minus become what? Plus 64 plus 1 plus 16, right? Okay, next again first row into the second column, 8 4s are 32, minus 32 plus 4 plus 7 4s are 28, right? Next again the third one, minus 8 minus 8, then 4 4s are 16, right? Okay, அதே மாதிரி we are going to take, now I am going to take the second row and the first column of the second matrix, multiply பண்ணாக்க minus 32 plus 4 7 4s are 28, again 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 plus 7 7s are 49, right? Next is 4 minus 32 plus 7 4s are 28, right? Now the third row if I take, that is minus 8 plus 16, second row, for third row and the second column, that is 4 minus 32 plus 7 4s are 28. Next again third 1 plus 64 plus 16, right? Okay, now this I must simplify this. If I simplify this, see what will you get? That is equal to 1 by 81 into, see what will you get here? 64 plus 1, 65, 75, 81, right? Again this is 28 plus 4, 32, 32 minus 32, that becomes 0. Minus 8 minus 8 minus 16 plus 16, that is also becomes 0. Similarly the other rows, here I will be getting 0, here I may get what? 81, here it is what? 0. Again third row 0, 0, 81, right? Now each element is multiple of what? 81. This 81 can be taken inside. Outside 1 by 81, if I take inside, that becomes 1, 0, 0. 81 by 81 is what? 1. 0 by anything, that becomes what? 0. Then 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, right? This is nothing but what? Identity matrix of order 3, I3 or I anything. This is A into A transpose, right? Similarly, I can write, similarly, what I can write? A transpose into A, that also will be getting what? I3. Therefore, A into A transpose I3 தான் கிடைக்குது. A transpose இது தேவையில்ல, போட்டாலும் ஒன்றும் தப்பில்லை. A transpose into A equal to I3. Therefore, what will you get? A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A, that is equal to I. Then this implies, what will you get from here? From here I will be getting that inverse of A, that is inverse of the first matrix, is equal to the second matrix, right? This is hence the proof. Right? Okay, children. Next question. Yes, see the next question. If A equal to 8 minus 4 minus 5, 3, verify that A into adjoint of A equal to adjoint of A into A equal to determinant of A into I2. This is what important theorem actually. In the introduction part we have seen this one. They are asking to verify this theorem, that's all. A into adjoint of A. We know how to find adjoint of A. Therefore A into adjoint of A we have to find, adjoint of A into A we have to find, and determinant of A into I2 we have to find. That is, we have to find this one and this one and this one. All the three we have to prove equal. Therefore for all these things, what are all we needed? We need adjoint of A. Therefore first we can find what adjoint of A. A, what is A here? A equal to 8 minus 4 minus 5, 3. And also we need adjoint of A also needed, and also determinant of A also needed. Therefore we can find these two first, then we can substitute and we can check. Understood? What is determinant of A? Determinant of A equal to 8 3s are 24. We can multiply minus of 5 4s are 20. Therefore that is equal to 4. Determinant of A over. Next, adjoint of A also we can find. What is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is nothing but, that is, we have to interchange. We have to interchange the main diagonal elements. What are the main diagonal elements here? Main diagonal elements are what? 8 and 3. 8 will come to the place of 3 and 3 will go here. Understood? Therefore, if I interchange, then what will you get? I will be getting that the matrix become what? Here 8, 3 will come here and 8 will go there. Understood? Next, we have to change the sign of subdiagonal elements. Subdiagonal elements we have what? Minus 4, that become what? Plus 4, and this is what? 5. This is the method to find adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix. Remember, adjoint of A equal to 3, 4, 5, 8. Okay, now see the question. What are all we have? Find one by one. See the first term. The first term is what? A into adjoint of A. What is A into adjoint of A? A is 8 minus 4 minus 5, 3 into adjoint of A. What is adjoint of A? 3, 4, 5, 8. Ordinary multiplication. Even I can write here itself. If I multiply this one, 8 3s are 24. Then minus 4 into 5. That is what? Minus 20. Right. Next is 8 4s are 32. Minus 4 8s are 32. Right. Next, if I multiply this one, minus 15 plus 15. Next, if I multiply the second row with the second column, we will be getting what? Minus 20 plus 24 I will be getting. Therefore, that is equal to what will you get? See, this is 4, 0, 0, 4. Either I can take 4 outside or we can keep as it is also. If I take 4 out, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is nothing but 4. What is 1, 0, 0, 1? That is identity matrix 4I2. See, A into adjoint of A equal to this 4 is nothing but what? A determinant value. Therefore, determinant of A into I2 I got, right? Similarly, next. Next adjoint of A into A we have to find. Check that adjoint of A into A. Adjoint of A into A is what? That is 3, 4, 5, 8. That is adjoint of A into A. The matrix A is what? 8 minus 4 minus 5, 3. Ordinary matrix multiplication. First row and the first column. If I take 8 3s are 24 minus 20. Again first row with the second column. Minus 12 plus 12. Right. Again 8 4s are 40, 40. Then 5 4s are, that is minus 20. 8 3s are 24. Right. That is equal to, if I simplify this one, 4 0 0 4. That is equal to 4 if I take out 1 0 0 1. This is nothing but 4I2. Therefore, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. And determinant of A into I2. See, what is determinant of A into I2? That also I can find. Determinant of A into I2. That this term we have in the question itself. Determinant of A into I2. Determinant of A is what? 4. I2 is what? That is, okay, 4 into this I2 also I can write as it is. Determinant of A. Therefore, this is what? 3. Therefore, from 1, 2 and 3, see all the 3 are what? 4I2, 4I2, 4I2. Therefore, all the 3 must be what? Equal. 1 is what? 4I2. 2 is also what? 4I2. This is also 4I2. Therefore, from 1, 2 and 3, what result will you get? Therefore, from 1, 2 and 3, we will be getting the required answer. Therefore, from 1, 2 and 3. A into adjoint of A. This is a result actually. Understood? Even in the 1 mark if they ask, you must be able to answer this result. A adjoint of A into A. That is equal to determinant of A into I2. Right? Hence the proof. Hence the proof. Hope you have understood, I think, right? Okay. Now we'll go for the next sum. Okay, children. See the seventh sum. A equal to 3, 2, 7, 5 and B equal to minus 1, minus 3, 5 to verify that AB the whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. This is nothing but the reversal law of inversor. Reversal law. Already you might have studied one reversal law in 10th standard. That is AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. This is reversal law for what? Transpose. This we call as what? Reversal law for what? Inverse. Understood? Same method. Whatever you have done in 10th standard, the same way we can do. Understood? Okay. See here reversal law. Left hand side what we have you find that and right hand side whatever we have you find that and show these two are what equal. Right? Okay, left hand side we have what's it? AB the whole inverse. Therefore, first inside the bracket we have what? AB. Therefore, first you find the value of the product A and B. Understood? Okay, now see A, B we are taking. What is A into B? 3, 2, 7, 5. And B is minus 1, minus 3, 5, 2. Right? Okay. Check what is the multiplication. The multiplication becomes 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 2 5s are 10. All of you know the matrix multiplication. We are familiar with matrix multiplication. You should not have any doubt in matrix multiplication. Remember that. Minus 3 plus 10. The common mistake when you do matrix multiplication, as we are doing what? The determinant value also after multiplying the first pair. There in the determinant we write what? Minus of the product of the second pair. But in the matrix multiplication it's not like that. That is minus 1 into 3 minus 3 plus 2 5s are 10 plus 10. Usually in the 11th standard, not 11th standard, every year I used to observe that most of the students will commit this mistake. First you will multiply 1 into minus 3 minus 3. Then minus of 2 5s are 10. Minus of they will write what 10. Therefore that mistake don't commit. Only whenever we are finding the determinant value minus of the second pair. But here in matrix ordinary multiplication only. Minus 3 plus 10. And next is what? 3 into minus 3, that is what? Minus 10, and 2 2s are what? 4, right? And next is what? 7 into minus 1, minus 7, 5 5s are 25. Next is 7 3s are 21, that is minus is there, therefore minus 21 plus what? 10. This is what? AB. Therefore AB equal to, see what you have to get? If I simplify this one, 7 minus 5. And this is 25 minus 7. 25 minus 7 is, that is, what will you get? 18, right? 18. And 21 minus, this is what? Minus 11, right? Okay. Now we have to find AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. Okay. Now see, easy way, just not easy way. Here AB inverse, all the three are what? Inverse only I have to find. I am going to find all the three together. First to find the matrix of what is that? The inverse of any matrix, I need the determinant. AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse I have. Therefore first I am finding what? See the left side what we have? AB inverse. Therefore AB inverse we have. Therefore I have to find what? Determinant of AB. Determinant of AB is what? 7 minus 5, 18 minus 11. This is determinant of AB. If I find this one, if I multiply minus 77 minus of this, I should multiply. That is what? Minus 90. Therefore that become what? Minus 77 plus 90. Therefore this is what? 13. Next here itself you find other side we have what? B inverse into A inverse I should multiply. Therefore get B now. Determinant of B. What will be determinant of B? See B is what? Here we have. Understood? Determinant of B. Therefore what we get? Minus 1 minus 3 5 2. That is equal to, if I multiply minus 2, this is what? Plus 15, that is also 13. Next we have what? A inverse. Therefore find determinant of A. Determinant of A is what? See the question, right? 3 2 7 5. That is equal to 3 5s are 15 minus 1, that is equal to 1. That is simultaneously I can find this A, B inverse, B inverse, A inverse, everything. It will be easy for us. Or even we can do by what? 1 by 1, nothing wrong here. But for convenient, just you can remember the steps very easily. Understood? A, B, determinant of A, B I got, determinant of B I got, and determinant of A. Now I can find what? Adjoint of A, B I can find. See what is adjoint of A, B? See, just I am splitting the page into what? 3 parts. Understood? Now I am finding what? Adjoint of AB. What is adjoint of AB? Adjoint of AB, we know the procedure to find adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix. That is the matrix. The main diagonal elements must be interchanged. That is minus 11, 7. Change the sign of subdiagonal element. Here 18. This 18 become what? Minus 18. Similarly, adjoint of B. What is adjoint of B? The same method. Therefore, whatever you do, the same thing only we are going to do. Therefore, you can remember the steps easily. That's why. Therefore, 2 and here we have what? Minus 1. This is plus 3 and this is what? Minus 5. And next is what? Adjoint of A we have to find. What is adjoint of A? 5 and 3 to be interchanged and we must change the sign for what? This subdiagonal elements. Right? Okay. Now, A inverse. Now, AB inverse I have to find. What is AB inverse? AB inverse, the formula is 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. Understood? Inverse of any matrix is 1 by its determinant, the adjoint of this one. Similarly, what is B inverse? B inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of B into adjoint of B. And similarly, what is A inverse? A inverse is at 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. See, if I write 1 by 1, first we have to find AB inverse, that is the first column, no, this part we have to find fully. Next we have to find this one and this one. But here simultaneously I am writing what? The same thing, no, same steps I am writing. Therefore, what I am getting here? AB inverse, that is equal to 1 by determinant of AB. See, what is 1 by determinant of AB? 1 by 13 into adjoint of AB. That also what? We found already. Minus 11, 5, minus 8, 7. And here B inverse equal to, here also AB, put the bracket. Inverse for the product. Now B inverse is at 1 by 13 into adjoint of B. 2, 3, minus 5, minus 1. A lengthy problem, but it's what very easy sum only. Determinant of A equal to, what is 1? That is 1 by 1 into adjoint of A. 5, minus 2, minus 7, 3. Right? This is what adjoint of A. 1 by 1 is what? The same number only. Therefore, 5, minus 2, minus 7, 3. I got. Right? Therefore, this I have split the paper into what? 3 parts. Understood? The answer into what? Splitted the answer into what? 3 parts. Till this I have done what? Common. Now, what we should prove? Check the question now. The question is AB the whole inverse. That I got. AB whole inverse. See, here I have. Therefore, this I can take as what? Equation number 1. Understood? AB. That's the left hand side. And next is what? On RHS, what we have? B inverse into A inverse. B inverse is what? Ready. A inverse is also ready, we found. Therefore, just I should multiply and we have to check as AB whole inverse. Understood? Now see, now I am finding B inverse into A inverse. What is B inverse? 1 by 13, 2, 3, minus 5, minus 1. What is A inverse? A inverse is what? 5, minus 2, minus 7, 3. Multiply, what will you get? That is equal to 1 by 13, 2 5s are 10, minus 21. First row with the first column. Understood? Next, this is minus 4 plus 9. Right? Next again, this one. If I multiply this one, what will you get? That is equal to minus 25 plus 7. And next is plus 10 minus 3. Therefore, that is equal to 1 by 13, 10 minus 21 minus 11. Right? Minus 11. Minus 4 plus 9, that is what? Plus 5. This is minus 18. When the signs are different, we must subtract and put the sign of greater number. If the signs are same, we must add and put the same sign. 10 minus 3, signs are different. Subtract and put the sign for the second number. Understood? Therefore, I got the RHS also B inverse. Understood? Now see, now we should compare the LHS and RHS. See, LHS already got, that is, see equation number 1. AB, the whole inverse is at 1 by 13 minus 11, 5 minus 8, 7. What is RHS? RHS I got here. That is B inverse into A inverse is 1 by 13 minus 11, 5 minus 8, 17. This I can take as what? Equation number 2. This is what? 2. Now from 1 and 2, what I can write? LHS equal to RHS, or we can write whatever they are asking to prove. That statement I can write, and I can write what? Hence proved. I can write. Understood? Therefore, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, AB the whole inverse, that is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Hence proved. Hence proved. Right? This, what is the name of this law? This we call as what? Reversal law of inverse. This we call as what? Reversal law. Understood? Reversal. Why it is called reversal? See, here we have product A into B, but inverse we have what? B come first, then A goes for second. Therefore, that we call as what? Reversal law of inverse. Reversal law of inverse also we have. Reversal of transpose already we had studied what in 10th standard. Similarly, adjoint also the same rule only. Adjoint of AB equal to adjoint of B into adjoint of A. Understood? Yes. Next, we will go forward the next sum. Okay, children. See the next sum, 8th sum. If adjoint of A equal to 2 minus 4, a 3 by 3 matrix is what given, and find A. Usually, if A is given, we know how to find A adjoint of A. But here, adjoint of A is given, we should find the matrix A. Already, if I gave this formula in the introduction video, you could have seen this formula. A equal to, whenever adjoint of A is given, the matrix A is obtained by A equal to plus or minus 1 by square root of determinant of adjoint of A and adjoint of A. That is, for a given adjoint of A matrix, we have to find once again adjoint of A. Understood? This formula is valid only if the given matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix. That's very, very important. If the order of the matrix is what? 3, only then we can follow this formula. Understood? Therefore, this is what a given matrix is what? 3. Therefore, this is an important question. They may ask in 3 mark. Right? Okay. Now here see A, this is the formula. If I know this formula, then I can find this one. What you have to find? See, what is the first term here? Determinant of adjoint of A. Therefore, I should find first determinant of adjoint of A. I have to find. What is determinant of adjoint of A? That is, adjoint of A is already given. For that matrix, we have to find the determinant. Therefore, determinant 2 minus 4 2 minus 3 12 minus 7 minus 2 0 2, right? For this, if I find what we get, 2 into, leave the first column and the first row, and 12 2s are 24 minus of, if I multiply this one, 0, therefore 0, then minus of the second element. Second element is what? Minus 4, therefore I will be taking what? Plus 4. I think all you are very good in finding the value of a 3 by 3 determinant. Understood? 4 plus 4. If I take this one, if I multiply, that is what? 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Then minus of, if I multiply, minus 2 into minus 7, that become what? Minus 14. Plus 2. First always plus 2. Then minus of whatever number we have. Then again what? Plus 2 into. If I leave this row and this column, see what we get? Minus 3 into 0. I will be getting 0. Minus, then if I multiply this one, minus into minus, plus 24, right? This is simplified. 2 into 24, that is, or 2 into 24 plus 4 into minus 6 minus 14. Both the numbers are negative. If both the numbers are negative, add and put the same sign as sum and divisor. That is, sum of integers you must be thorough. Understood? Don't make mistake in addition. Both the numbers are negative, add and put the same sign. Then plus again 2 into 24, right? Now 2 24s are 48 minus 80 plus 48. That is equal to 2 positive number, add 48 plus 48, 96 minus 80. Therefore, that is equal to 16. 16. See, we have to find square root of adjoint of determinant of adjoint of A. Therefore, square root of 6 will be getting plus 14. Therefore, even if they ask a creative question, the same if they ask, mostly this 100% this determinant of adjoint of A can be what? A perfect square number only will get mostly. Understood? Next is the second part. Second part, what we have? Adjoint of A we have to find. For a given matrix A, how will you find adjoint of A? There is a shortcut method. We will construct a 4 by 4 numbers. Then we know how to find. Therefore, here for the adjoint of A, already adjoint of A is given. For that, we have to find adjoint of A. Understood? Therefore, what will you do here? See, adjoint of A. From the given matrix, from the given adjoint of A matrix, you form a 4 by 4. Then it is easy to find this one. To form 4 by 4, what will you do? See the question from here. We'll start from the middle number 12 and we'll be writing what? 12 minus 7 minus 3, 12. Yeah, 4 by 4. How to frame the 4 by 4 number system. This is not a matrix. Just in a rough work we are writing. See 12 minus 7 minus 3 12. Again next we have to come for the second row. Second row if I come, what will you get? 0 2 minus 2 0. To find the adjoint, this is what? A shortcut way, that's all. Next to first row I have finished. Second row I have finished. Third row. Then automatically I will come for this first row. That is minus 4 2 2 minus 4. Right? Again now we will come for the third row. That is 12 minus 7 minus 3 12. Therefore if I check, easily you can check. The first row and the last row will be what? Same. Similarly, the first column and the last column will be the same. Now, from this, we know how to find adjoint of A. Okay. Now, I am going to write that one here. See here. See this. Okay. See now adjoint of A. Now, adjoint of A, that is equal to. See, I should multiply. Already from the given matrix, I wrote adjoint. This is adjoint of A. Therefore, I am going to find adjoint of A. Already the given matrix is adjoint of A. Therefore, for that I am going to find. Therefore, adjoint of A. What I have to do? I should multiply these two minus this one. Therefore, 12 2s are 24 minus 0. Right? This is the first element. Again, for the next one, I should multiply this one minus of this one. Therefore, 14 minus, if I multiply, I will be getting minus 6. Therefore, this will become what? Plus 6. Then again the third. This become what? 0 minus. Then if I multiply this one, minus into minus plus 24. Right? Okay. Now similarly, the second row, if I take this one, 0 minus of minus 8, that become what? Plus 8. Next, if I multiply this one, 2 2s are 4 minus 0. Sorry. 2 2s are 4 minus into minus plus, that become what? Again 2 2s are 4. Right? Next again this one, if I multiply, this I will be getting what? 8 minus 0. Now the third row, I should have to multiply these two. If I multiply, this is 28 minus 24. And this one, 2 3s are 6. Minus is that, therefore minus 6 minus of this. If I multiply, minus into minus plus 14. Again if I multiply this one, 2 into 12, 24 minus 12. Right? Okay, here minus 3 into minus 4, that become plus 12. Already we have what? Minus. Now that is equal to adjoint of A equal to whole transpose. To find the adjoint, that is what? Whole transpose. Don't forget to put whole transpose. That's very, very important. Understood? Now simplify this one. I can simplify and write direct writing. That is, I am going to simplify and also I am going to find what? The transverse. Both I am going to do together. See what we get? 24. First row. Next element is what? 14 plus 6. Where I am going to write? Here 20. Next is 0 plus 24. That is what? 24. Yes. Can you observe? 24, 20, 20. Now the second column. That is what? 8. 4 plus 4, 8. And 8 minus 0, that is what? 8. Next is what? 28 minus 24, that is what? 4. And minus 6 plus 14, that is what? 8. Again 24 minus 12, that is what? 12. Right? I have done the transpose. I simplified and I transpose also done. And that is one step we can save, that's all. Otherwise, once again we have to write all the numbers, then we have to write the transpose. Therefore, simplify and write. Now we can substitute in the formula. What is the formula? Already we have seen the formula. Understood? What is the formula for A? A equal to plus or minus 1 by square root of determinant of A. That we got already, determinant of A 16. Adjoint of A. That also we found. Understood? Just we have to replace, substitute in the formula. Therefore, A equal to plus or minus, don't forget to put plus or minus, a root of adjoint of A 16 into adjoint of A 24 8 4 28 8 24 8 12. Right? That is equal to plus or minus 1 by 4. Here see the matrix, each element is a multiple of 4. 4 can be taken common. See 6 4s are 24, 4 2s are 8, 4 1 is what 4. Therefore each number, if every element of a matrix is what multiple of a number, that can be taken out. Therefore I can take 4 common. If I take 4 common, 6 4s are 24, 2 4s are 8, 1 4 is 1. Here 5 4s are for 20, here 2, here I will be getting what 2. Here 24 means what again what 6, here 2, here I will be getting what 3 4s are this one. Then this 4 and 4 can be cancelled. We can take common and cancel, otherwise 4 we can divide each number by what 4 and we can write. Therefore what will be the answer? The answer will be what plus or minus 6 2 1 5 2 2, and this is what 6 2 3, right? This is the answer, right? Okay children, next we will go for what next question. Yes, see the 9th question children. If adjoint of A, a 3 by 3 matrix is given, find A inverse. What was the 8th question? Find A. Here find A inverse, that's all. But we know the formula for this also. A inverse equal to plus or minus 1 by square root of determinant of adjoint of A into adjoint of A. For A the same, almost same, only one term, plus or minus 1 by square root of determinant of adjoint of A into adjoint of A. But here just what adjoint of A only. Already we know adjoint of A. Therefore this will occupy this position. Adjoint of A I can replace. But here we have to find what? Determinant of adjoint of A. This is what a 2-mark question. Just we have to find what determinant of adjoint of A we have to find, and then we have to substitute here to get the answer. An easy sum, right? A 2-mark question this is. Therefore this is also like last problem, an important question I can say, right? Last question is what we have to find adjoint of A. Here it's not required. Adjoint of A already we have in the question. Therefore just directly I can substitute here. I needed is what? Adjoint of A. Therefore determinant of adjoint of A I should find. What is determinant of adjoint of A? Determinant of 0 minus 2 0, 6 2 minus 6, minus 3 0 6. Must know the difference between the different determinant and the matrix. Wherever the determinant we have to put the symbol properly. Understood? Some of you may think only bracket. No, it's not a matter of bracket. Understood? Matrix max is what? Max. Understood? Determinant means we have to put the determinant symbol only, not matrix symbol. Now that is equal to 0 into anything, that will be what? 0. Then minus of, here we have minus 2. Therefore plus 2 into 6 6 are 36 minus, if I multiply, minus into minus become plus, 3 6 are 18. Again plus 0 into anything, that will be what? 0. Understood? That is what? 2 into 36 minus 18. If I subtract, I will be getting 18. 2 18s are 36. As I told for the previous problem, this type of problem we are going to find what? Square root of determinant of adjoint of A. Mostly this number determinant of adjoint of A will be what? A perfect square number only will get most. Understood? Even if they ask a question outside the textbook, just you can verify. Understood? All these are what? Common sense. We should have the idea. Square root, therefore square root of a common number. Now we can write. Now A inverse. What is the formula? Plus or minus 1 by square root of 36 by into adjoint of A. What is adjoint of A? That is already given in the question. That we can copy directly from the question. 0 minus 2 0. And next is what? 6 2 minus 6. And next is what? Minus 3 0 6. Right? What is square root of plus or minus? That is the 36. The square root of root 36. Square root of 36 is what? 6 I can write. Therefore plus or minus 1 by 6. Like last problem. Can we take anything common from here? Nothing could be taken. That is, this is what? Only 2 is common. Here also we have 2, but 3 we don't have 2. Therefore I cannot take common. Therefore leave as it is. If it is possible, take out, or leave as it is. 1 by 6 0 minus 2 0, 6 2 minus 6 minus 3 0 6. Right? Okay. Hence this is the answer for the next question. Yes. Now we'll go for what? The next question. Okay. So the next question, 10th question, find adjoint of A if adjoint of A equal to this one. See the question, adjoint of A. What is the question? Already this is given. Adjoint of A is already given in the question. Therefore, we have to find only one adjoint we have to find. Understood? Okay. Now we'll go for the question. Adjoint of A, how will you find? The usual shortcut way. Understood? What is the usual shortcut way? First we'll make a 4 by 4 order of numbers. That is not a matrix. Just for our what is a shortcut method, we are making this. We have to start from this number. That is what 2. Next 0, 0, 2. Right? Again first row, second row, third row. From the third row 0, 1, minus 1, 0. Third row also. Next come for the first row. Start from the middle term 0. Go on the right 0, 1. Next after 1 where we have to go? 1. 1 again 0. Then again second row. Second row means what? 2, 0, 0, 2. Just you can check the first row and the last row must be the same in first column. This is just for rough work. This is not a matrix. This don't write in the main this one. This you write in the rough column. Now we can find the adjoint. Adjoint of what? Adjoint of the given matrix. Given matrix is what? Adjoint of A. Therefore, adjoint of A, that is equal to, so what will you get? Multiply these two and these two. Then next number, multiply these two minus of this one. Multiply these two and minus of this one. See, just if I multiply 2 minus 0. Next is what? 0 minus 0. Next is 0 plus 2. Right? Next is second row in the same way. These two to be multiplied. And similarly these two to be multiplied and these two to be multiplied, and we are right. If I multiply 0 minus 0, next if I multiply 1 minus into minus plus 1, next is what? 0 minus 0, right? Okay, this is what the matrix. And next is what? The third row. From there we can write 0 minus 2, 0 minus 0. Next is what? 2 minus 0. Whenever we are finding transpose, don't forget to put transpose. For every problem, I am insisting this one. If I write transpose, if I don't transpose, that's become what? Wrong. Understood? Therefore, next step, we don't get the answer. Now that is equal to, as I told you earlier, whenever you are writing what this step, next step directly we can write the answer. Simplify and also transpose. 2 minus 0, 2. 0 minus 0, that is what? 0. 0 plus 2 is 0. Understood? I am simplifying and also transposing. Understood? Next 0, 1 plus 1, 2, 0. Next third row, minus 2, 0, 2. Therefore, no need to put what? Transpose on the power, right? Therefore, this is the question. Find adjoint of A. Therefore, the answer we got is what? 2, 0, minus 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2. Right? Okay, children. Now we'll go for already this is what? 45 minutes, I think 42 minutes nearly. Okay. The next 3 more questions are there. I will put in the next video. Right? Okay.